Do you ever look at the crystal world and think there are too many crystals? Well, guess what? You are right. There are thousands and thousands of crystals, and today we're going to break down 3 popular crystals in our beginner's kit at Inner Cave Crystals. Let's get started. First, we have Amethyst. So this is a real calming crystal that helps to melt stress away. It brings balance and supports your spiritual growth. It's always perfect to keep it by your bed or desk as it helps with sleep. So next we have Rose Quartz. This is one of my favorite crystals. It's a crystal of unconditional love. It gently opens your heart, it strengthens relationships. It also reminds you to show yourself some extra kindness throughout the day. So if you're manifesting any relationships or even just a friendship, or just wanting to love yourself a little bit more, then this crystal is definitely for you. And finally, we have the clear quartz. This is often called the master healer. I always use this in the meditations I run on a Monday because it amplifies all the crystals around us. But not just that, it helps us to stay focused and balanced no matter what the day throws at you. So this is the beginner's crystal kit at Inner Cave Crystals. You've got your amethyst, you've got your rose quartz, and then you've also got your clear quartz as well. I always include a Palo Santo stick. This is a holy stick from Peru. You just light the end of it, you blow it out, and it helps to cleanse the crystals. So the crystals are always nice and cleansed. So now you know the beginner's crystal kit at Inner Cave Crystals. These are lovely crystals to work with, whether you're a beginner, immediate or advanced in your crystal journey. I love these crystals. I always work with these crystals, especially clear quartz. I use it in my meditation class I run every Monday because it's just a really nice crystal to work with. It's the master healer that amplifies all the other characteristics of your crystals. So if you like your beginner's kit, then it's available on my site at Inner Cave Crystals. Have a great day, everybody.